Yo, guys, what's going on? What's going on? Hope everybody had a great weekend. Happy Monday. Good morning. Time to get to work. We got SPY, BLBX, STSA, Tesla on watch. Let's hop on over to this daily chart here real quick and get to work on this. Tesla just, SpaceX just paused a launch. So I'm not sure how that's going to affect Tesla stock. It could, might not. It was just news that hit a few minutes ago. So gonna be like on Tesla, but if it can hold 185 area, I'm watching for a possible move back to 190, 192 if the market can rally. BLBX, BLBX. This thing, look at this thing, bang, bro! Like this freaking thing's up 233% on the day. Watching really to see if this previous support zone that turned later into resistance can hold support if we can get up and over it. Right now we're struggling there. Otherwise, I mean, you probably won't have any real good support, looks like, until $6. So we'll see, because that could have killed a good chunk of the momentum. This thing's up huge already on the day. I mean, I don't know, man. Shorts would have to be really, really trapped in that thing for it to make another bigger move. STSA, STSA right here, previous resistance area at $1.16. Watching that zone for support, could have room up here towards this previous support zone that should show up as at least some sort of temporary resistance if we get up there at around 250. All right. And then we got the SPY. What's up with this box? I remember. Okay, so the SPY, if we can hold 412 area, we've been trying, it's been holding fairly well in pre-market here. If we can hold 412 area, maybe you can get another little move that looks like that towards that 415 area. We'll see. You know, we're down here. We'll see if it can do it. If it can, awesome. You know, maybe today, Monday, and then Tuesday, you know, another little move like that. So if we can get something like that today, tomorrow, you know, but not looking for a big day today at all on the SPY. Unless we crack 412, then I think we get straight down here to 410 again, test that area. All right, so that's what I'm watching. Now let's hop on over to the ES. Take a look at that. Right here, we're testing this 4160 area, previous nice support zone. We broke underneath it on Friday, gained back above it, and then now today we're right here, right back again at that level, watching to see if that zone can hold support for bounces back up here towards 4177, 4180. All right. So that's what we're watching this morning. Let me pop out the chat. Go, the beast. Good morning. Guys, the futures course is live, just so you know. 100% live already. So if you bought the futures course during the pre-sale, make sure to jump on in there today and start your studying, okay? So 4160 is trying to hold here, guys. Oh, crap. Yeah. Guys, Jonal has not. Let me show you what Jonal has not done. Since the course is live, he was supposed to make the code inactive. Okay. I don't. Okay, so you used to come here to this page. Used to come here to this page and you would see up here the discount. There's no discount now because there's not supposed to be any discount right now. But if you scroll all the way down, here you have the regular price for the course, $349. But if you come here, see it says have a coupon, and you type What was the code, bro? Guys, give me a second. I'm trying to get this for you. Oh, crap. Futures pre-sale. Futures pre-sale. That should be it. It drops the price to 244. It drops the price to 244. I don't know how. I'm not gonna tell him anything. I'm not gonna tell him anything. I have it written down and I checked it a minute ago and it was still working. I'm not telling him a damn thing. Take advantage of that while it's still available because it's live. So like right now, you go in there, you make your purchase, you can start studying right now. Okay, you can start going through the courses, quizzes, and exams right away. So and also there's a bonus section that is exactly how to get funded. You know, on your evaluation account, that'll be up. If not today, sometime tomorrow, that'll be up on there for you to get through as well. But the full course itself is up already. All right, the bonus section is not up yet. See that bonus material right here? How to pass an evaluation account. Wait, you can't see it, can you? No. There you go. So right there, see how to pass an evaluation account. And like I said, you scroll all the way down here and you type futures, all caps, futures pre-sale, and the price will drop from $349 to $244. All right. Let me give you the link real quick. There you go. Links in chat. Go do it. Go take advantage while Jonah is still not paying attention. Crap, that was funny. All right, back to business. Let's go take a look at what the SPY's doing. Chopping around a little bit here on the morning. Trying to get through Friday's close. I think we could see a little run here if we can hold this 60 area. Yeah, he's fired, exactly. All right, guys, we're really trying to hold those 60s. You could see a nice little pop here. Could take you right back to 70. All right, there it goes. As I say it, we're right back to 65. Nice little 3-point pop already. So we got ourselves a little 3-point pop there already. So far, nothing for me. I have not entered a trade. Yo, Bill, good morning. Good morning. All right, there you go. Nice little move there. $70 has been a little minor area of resistance. Through 70, you definitely got room there towards 77, 77 zone. Yeah, I know. It feels like it could just reverse. The volume is depleting as it goes higher. It was fine for a little entry there at 62 for a quick scalp. I'd probably be all out by now. I didn't get it. I thought about it. I was gonna just go in with a couple contracts, nothing big. But the volume at the open was just so light, so lightish. Made me a little Weary. Man, I woke up today with such a stuffy nose. Must be allergies. Let's go check in on Tesla. There you go. Nice little bounce on Tesla from 185 area we talked about. PLBX selling off. Expected. I mean, this thing was up monstrous. STSA, this one is a little deeper pullback in my opinion. The CFRX, I just didn't like this chart. Look at this daily chart. This was disgusting. Guys, remember we talked about Roblox 47 area resistance? My God, man. If anybody did a swing trade off of this one, freaking congratulations. Good Lord. Are you kidding me? What an amazing drop. I mean, that's just a huge drop. Humongous. I'm going to see here. I want to see if there's like some specific news on Roblox, because that kind of gap down has to be. I don't know if they had earnings already. I don't think so. Oh, they reported key metrics. Daily active users were 66.2 million, up 26% year over year. Hours engaged were 4.8 million, up 26% year over year. Estimated revenue was between 212 million and 223 million, up 15 to 21% year over year. Estimated bookings were 247 million, up. They must have had forward guidance that weekend or something. Okay, well, these aren't the earnings. This apparently they do monthly key metrics, and they're discontinuing that. This release marks the company's last monthly metric release. We have now published monthly key metrics over our first 8 quarters as a public company. While we believe that it has provided incremental information to investors regarding the seasonality of the business, we have decided to cease providing key monthly metrics to align our reporting cadence with our value of taking the long view. Key metrics will continue to be published on a quarterly basis, aligned with the company's other quarterly disclosures, including its shareholders' letters, and other quarterly publications. All right, so that's what that was. Wow, guys, straight up move off this open. So if this is going to be a move that's going to take us back towards like 4190, 4180, 4190, then I think we should eventually hit some sort of resistance and then get a pullback, right? Like if we get to 4170 area and we start to pull back and we get back down there and kind of test out, maybe double bottom that 4160, that could be an area for a long. Will it work? Who knows, right? But that's why we manage risk, and we'll be so close to the stop zone that totally be worth the trade. I'll definitely be eyeing it down there. There we go. We're getting that push to 4170. Hopefully that area stuffs it and we can pull back. I would love to see like a fake out, trap some bears. Although, man, that volume continuously decreasing on the way up. I want to make these volume bars thicker like I have on my other chart. It's not. Oh wait, I think I got it. There we go. So I got a quick little pull back there on the SPY to VWAP, and it held. The ES holding the 4165 zone, 64. Previous little level right here. Not terrible, but I'd rather just see it kind of implode and get itself all the way back down and maybe double bottom. That would be nicer. Time is it? 9:45. Go check real quick any economic data that might be coming out here. Okay, no economic data coming out. Oh, yo, Bob, what's up, man? Good morning. Good morning. The King. Okay, good. Good info. What's up? Bill says quiet in here today. Yeah, it was quiet here, but now we got Bob and the King popping in here. So that's good. Wow, that's a nasty candle. All the way back down. Let's see how it acts down there. Wow, that's a nasty little drop there. But if we can double bottom, could wind up being a possible trade. At 4170, holding up nicely there as resistance. If 4160 gives up support, right, and then becomes resistance, then I will be looking short towards 4150 to 4145 zone. SPY back underneath Friday's close, but 412 still an area, an important area on the daily chart. Trying to get a little possible bounce here, guys. Hoping we got a little bit deeper pullback there. Come on, just get all the way back down there to 4160. Just do it. See if you can give us that possible double bottom. I hate that. I hate that action. I hate it. I really do. That's annoying. So if we can get over 4165 and hold, then I think maybe you got a shot here at the squeeze. But 4165 has to hold. Yeah, really choppy for sure. 4165 is where it's at now. If it doesn't hold, you could see a turnaround. I'm gonna try to give it a shot here with a stop underneath like that 64 zone, maybe 63.50. Give it some wiggle room. Let's see what happens. Doesn't look like it wants to go. We're putting in the higher lows. The volume was increasing. SPY held VWAP. All right. It's got potential. If it breaks under 63, I got to cut it. Yeah, for real, the beast. Yo, Nathan, good morning. You're not kidding. Come on. God, bro. It's got me yawning for real. Okay, it was the OBS. No, it was everything. Because that was my ninja trader that said connection lost. Man, that was scary. Don't like that. Oh, that's ugly. Well, I got stopped out. Okay, good thing I had my hard stop out. All right, so taking an L there. Let's see. What is it? 9:57 a.m. and just that random big drop. A random big drop. Right into 4160 zone again. Yeah, finally some moves. I gotta reset my whole software now real quick, guys. Bear with me. I had lost connection. I don't know why. And now Rhythmic was asking me to kind of restart. A little pop-up came up. Okay. Everything's back. All right, there we go. All right, guys. So another setback there in this little challenge I've put myself through. I think I'm trading a little bit too careful. That's part of the reason why I still haven't finished it, even though the idea was to finish it as fast as possible. Yeah, the beast. See you over on the Discord. That's funny. Guys, if you're new here, check out the free Discord. Links in chat. All right, so we're back. That 60 area held. We're back up over 64 and everything. Let's see if this thing is finally gonna go. All right, we're exploding to the upside now. Can we get through 70? Put an order to sell some here. Damn, guys, I'll be right back. Oh, my wife got her. Okay. Sorry, guys. My kid ate it. She fell playing. Yeah, Adolfo, just about. Well, if we double top here, that's gonna suck. Well, it looks like we're gonna double top there. Let me see where my trailing stop is. My trailing auto liquidation thing is at. Ugh, that thing's nasty. That's gonna be too close. Yeah, Nathan, you can log in. So my auto liquidation threshold on this challenge account probably will get hit here. The problem is I'd have to close it here and take a loss that I shouldn't have to take. And that's the problem with those. And that's across the board. You get those basically in every single type of evaluation account out there. So see, there it is. It triggered. See, nowhere near my stop, and that's it. That account's gone. It sucks because the account is in profit, right? But the auto liquidation got hit. Freaking A, man. Well, the good thing is that this was a challenge, and I still got more accounts to do the challenge with. But that sucks. That's why when you get funded, guys, you have to trade your funded account extremely disciplined. And that's why I always say, and that's one of the things I talk about in the course, is when you get funded, start off with the MES. Start off with the MES when you get funded. Even if you were on the ES when you passed your eval, start off on the MES. So that account, even though that account is profitable, it got slapped right there and it's no good anymore. It blew up. Technically. By auto liquidation standards. Not by the account. The account is profitable. But the auto liquidation got me. The auto liquidation being the trailing stop. Remember, that moves up with you. So as you make money in the account, the auto liquidation goes up. Now, once you get funded, depending which type of funded account you pick, that does stop. That ends. Like, for example, my funded account is 50,000, the $50,000 account, right? I've already reached a point where that auto liquidation or the auto trailing stop has reached its max, which is 50,100. I can go all the way, like I can grow that account to 100,000 and I can have drawdown days and that account would never blow up until it reached 50,100. All right, just so a heads up, just so you know how that works. But while you're in the eval process, it just keeps moving with you. All right, so it double topped. They're at 70. Now we've pulled back all the way back down in front of the day's low on the SPY. Will that hold? We're going to find out. Trades by next. No, that is here with this firm I trade with, Lilu. So now SPY testing, yes, well, not yesterday, Friday's close. Yep, sounds good, man. Damn, that was fast. Did you just buy that right now? If it wasn't you, somebody just bought the $50,000 account. Oh, but they bought the entry. Remember, guys, you have the regular and then the entry. The entry accounts, those are, I mean, I'm not a fan of them, but for some people, they really work out well because it's really like just a testing the waters type of account. But the split there isn't 90-10. The split there is, I think, 80-20, and you don't keep 80, you keep 20. That's with the entry accounts. So when you click that link, what you want to do is you want to go foundation account or the bundle accounts that they have right now, where you can get 5 accounts for the price of, you know, one, with especially with the discount code. But yeah, the entry ones, these are cheaper by a lot, but these are more like, it's almost more like a simulator effect, to be honest, with the chance of getting it funded, but the split's not good. The split is good on these because it's 90-10. But if you're brand new, it doesn't matter. You're not, look, honestly, you're not going to make money your first year. You shouldn't even be worried about making money your first year. You know, you should be worried the first year about learning. The second year, you should be worried about not blowing up. And then the third year, okay, you can worry about making a little profit. That's the reality of trading, guys. That's the reality of trading. I know social media, YouTube, you know, people make it look easy. That's why I'm so transparent, so that you can see that it's not easy. I'm profitable, but it's not easy. I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, look how easy it is. Oh my God. No, bro, it's not easy. That's a bold-faced lie people do and say so they can get views, so they can get you to buy their courses. I got a course for sale, but I'm not gonna BS you so you go buy it. I want you to buy it because you want to freaking learn. That's why I want you to buy the course, because I want you to learn. You know, like I hate freaking YouTube sometimes. There you go. I'm gonna go off on one of my rants. Yep, the beast. I'm looking at that. I'm eyeing it. looking like a possibility here. If we can get down a little bit deeper in that pullback, it's definitely possible. Oh, good thing H got out of that swing trade on Roblox. I saw that in the Discord, the beast. I thought he was short for some reason. I didn't think he was long. The long there was only on the, like in my opinion, anyways. The long there was only on the breakout of the reverse head and shoulders. If it happened, it never happened. So you know the short was in order there against 47. That's what I had gone over last week. I think it was last week when we went over Roblox here on the stream. So we've had two rejections of 70, and we've had two holds of like 60 area, 59, 60 area. Guys, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. I'm gonna give the long one shot, one more shot. This will be the second shot on it down here for the double bottom with the stop just underneath it. Well, this will be the third shot actually. To see if we get the double bottom. If we don't get the double bottom, then I'm just gonna cut myself on the day. We're back in a fresh account for the challenge here. The challenge being how fast can we get a $150,000 account funded. So I'm being a little extra quicker, a little bit more aggressive, because the challenge is speed. You know, how quickly can we get it funded? We'll take one here for the scalp if we can get there. Kid came in, gave me a hug. Dan, are you out there, Dan? Haven't seen you in a couple days. I know you were on vacation. Here's the Cuban coffee for the day. Oh, that's so good. Remember, guys, the trailing stop. Don't forget that when you're in your eval. I knew that was coming when I was in that trade when I saw it. And look, I wouldn't have not been stopped out yet. I would still be in that trade. I would not have been stopped out because 60 held. The trailing stop is what screwed me. But I'm not going to sit here and just blame the trailing stop. I was the trader. I was in charge of my entry. I was in charge of my position sizing. And I was in charge of monitoring my trailing stop. All right, looks like we're going to get that first take. There it is. Oops, I almost dropped my coffee. So first take off the table there. Trading a little bit smaller here. Only in about a quarter of the size. Why doesn't this thing cooperate? Let's go. Doesn't look like that double bottom wants to go, man. It just doesn't look like it wants to go. I'll hold the stop on the remainder at break even. There's the most stubborn. It's weak, right? Later, the beast, man. I don't blame you, bro. I don't blame you, man. I don't blame you. Red Day Bill, yeah, man. Same here, and all intents and purposes. But yeah, I mean, as long as you're red within the risk tolerance, then all you can do is just trade the plan. It's not about being right; it's about trading the plan. If your strategy's sound, then over the long haul, you make more money. You're gonna lose some along the way. It's trading. Trading isn't about being right; it's about managing risk and identifying high probability opportunities for trades. That's it. That's the job of the trader. What's this breaking news? Apple launches saving account with 4.15 interest rate. Are you freaking kidding me, bro? Apple, come on, man. That is freaking hilarious. But I got Apple beat. I got Apple beat right there in chat, guys. 4.8 APY. That's what I get on my money with Wealthfront. Oh, second take profit about to get hit. Are we going to get it? Come on. That cannot be a high or low, man. I mean, sorry, a low or high. The YouTube channel I mentioned last week. I don't know. What was it about? Do you remember? Oh, second take about to get hit. Let's go. Are you kidding me? You're not gonna hit it by a quarter, bro. Come on. What are the chances of that? Give me another 50 tap, then at least fill me there. There we go. Second take. All right, got it. All right, cool. Let's see if we can break the highs. All right, guys. So I'm gonna move my stop now under 65 on the remainder. Let's see if we can break this high and make a push to new highs. We got room here that could take us up to 75. So I plan to take profits there and be flat around that 74 to 75 area. Oh, the king could it have been Financial Wolf? Maybe it was Financial Wolf. Some kid, right? A young one. Guys, you know what sucks about this is that my other trade, I'd still be in it, and I'd be very nice into the profit. No, I don't know. The only one I remember talking about was Financial Wolf. I think that's what it was called. Let me double check. Yeah, Financial Wolf. Some young kid. All right, if we can't get through these highs this time, I would expect the low of day to break. So we really got to get through those 69s. Again, another tap of 69 and nothing. No break. Nothing but a big old trading range right now between 60 to 69. I'm going to move my stop loss now under 66. Volume is depleting here on the sideways consolidation. Not terrible, but it'd be nice to get a breakout already because it's pretty ridiculous. Such a tight little channel we're in right now. Bill says, Jesse, the futures course is good. I started it earlier this morning. People need to take advantage of the discount ASAP. I agree. People should take advantage of that discount because I'm not sure when Journal is going to update it and get rid of it. So here it is, guys. Boom. Make sure to take advantage of that discount. Regular price on it is $349. Super good value for a solid course that'll help you with the process of getting your account funded. All right, let's see if we can get the 69 to break already, man. Good Lord, it's a wall up there. Over 100 contracts every single time pop up on the Super Dom. You're just not getting those breakouts today. It's that channel play, and that's what it is. Nothing else. All right, so it got taken out there. It's always nice when you get stopped out of your remainder and it's still in profit. Nice little $800 trade. Nice little $800 trade to start up to kick off the new challenge there. That puts us at still a crap ton we got to make. But I was only in about a quarter of the size that I want to trade on this challenge to see if we can really get it popping. But I want to get it popping when we start getting directional nice moves. This type of action here, very, very tight price action channels, not my go-to strategy. So I tend to go ahead and scale down size when it's like that. Jay, looking forward to starting the course this afternoon. Good morning, my man. Nice. Can't wait for you to go through the course. The bonus section of the curriculum for the futures course was being uploaded today, so it should be live either today or tomorrow. But the entire course in itself is already up. So chapters 1 through 8. Let me make sure you guys are seeing this. Yeah, chapters 1 through 8 are already up. The bonus material section, which is how to pass an evaluation account, and my evaluation account story, those are not up yet, but they will be up probably today or tomorrow. But everything else is already up. And guys, like I said, regular price on this is $349. Get it for $244 right now with coupon code, all caps, futures presale. Joel has not updated this yet. I'm pretty sure once he watches the stream later, if he does today, he will be updating that and getting rid of it because it's not supposed to be on special anymore because the pre-sale's over. It's live. All right, guys. This action is really, really boring. Look at what the SPY's done today. I mean, look, if you come here to the SPY, there's your SPY. It's done nothing. Opened up, straight up, came back down, back up, back down, back. Very, very, very channel. Very, very channel-like play, tight action. Okay, kind of similar to what I expected today. That's why I said I was going to look for scalps. But earlier on in the morning here, I got crapped on by my trailing stop. That's all that happened here. I got crapped on by my trailing stop in the challenge account. So redoing it now from scratch. And the trailing stop hit me, and the account stayed with nearly $1,300 in profit. So it sucks that that's what happened, you know. But that's the name of the game. That's the name of the game when you're using one of these accounts. So we'll see what happens. You know, what time is it? I'm probably gonna start to just ease off here and wait for tomorrow. Very, very tight action day. Very tight. Let's go take a quick look at some of the equities real quick. All right, so BLBX, big old red day after that gargantuan gap up, doing nothing. STSA, doing nothing, but if it can re-break and hold VWAP, it has potential. This is a support zone we talked about on the daily chart. Look at that. That's the line we drew in pre-market. If that line holds support, you can watch this thing. It could make a move. Wait, no, you didn't get to see that, did you? Oh, yes, you did. Okay. And Tesla, we said 185 support. Watch for a move back towards 190. And we got exactly that. Look. We got up as high as 189.75. That's pretty damn close to 190 off of that 185 area. So that one worked out nicely with one very nice entry potential right here on this VWAP 9 AMA crossover. So Tesla doing exactly what we thought it would do. I'm surprised to see it come all the way back down here now. I'd watch for support for double bottoms. And again, 185. So you got the SPY still trading sideways here. Channel. It's in a channel here between 412.20 and 413.20. So you got a dollar channel on the SPY. very much a scalpable range. All right, very much a scalpable range. Yeah, if you're trading Tesla options, be very careful. Implied volatility on those will get you. So if you're trading Tesla options itself, be very careful with that implied volatility because you got earnings this week, like the king is saying. Great stuff, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Pleasure trading this morning. We all learned a nice valuable lesson here. I said it was gonna happen before it happened. But I had to stay true to the chart, right? The chart told me my stop was under 41.60, but my auto liquidation hit me before I got down there. So the machine closed the trade on me. Nothing I could do about that. It was out of my control. Re-entered later. We made some more money here. This new challenge is well underway. Today's day number 1. So we're going to see how quickly we can get this one going. I'm going to need directional moves. I am not a channel trader. So you're going to see me do the best where we have directional move. Like we did on Friday. Really nice directional move. Bang. Banged out a nice day. Today, I mean, it's a pretty damn good day in the sense, but not the kind of day I want for this challenge. I mean, it could work, but not the kind of day I would want for this challenge. So let's see what happens going into tomorrow. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember to take advantage of that discount, and I will see you all tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. Peace.